Convicted murderer Derek Chauvin was sentenced to 22.5 years for the death of George Floyd. A jury found Chauvin guilty of unintentional second-degree murder, third-degree murder, and second-degree manslaughter after his April trial. Now, under Minnesota law, Chauvin will have to serve 2/3 of that sentence. That's 15 years. Again, that's 15 years. He'll be eligible for supervised release for the remaining 7.5 years thereafter, and some are calling it a travesty of justice.
Derek Chauvin received only 22.5 years for the murder of George Floyd. The aggravated circumstances allowed the judge to go beyond the guidelines. Instead, he didn't even give him the maximum. Wouldn't even consider or give him the 30 years that the prosecutors recommended. Let me tell you what happened in 2015 in contrast. A man named Lonnie Pebley was given 736 years for shooting at police officers. But as we see, the officer that killed George Floyd received less than the max. What a travesty. Call your senators and tell them to enact the George Floyd Justice in Policing Act.
And joining us is the man himself, Judge Greg Mathis. Such a pleasure. Former judge of Michigan's 36th District Court, television host and author, motivational speaker, among other things. Welcome back to BNC, Judge Mathis. It is a pleasure having you on the show.
Thank you. It's always a pleasure to be with you guys.
Now, some thought that justice was served with the sentencing, while others felt the sentence wasn't harsh enough. You had a pretty strong reaction. Tell us about that reaction.
Yeah, I think indeed it's a travesty of justice. You know, he didn't receive the max. That's what I was hoping, because when you have aggravated murder, when you have a murder that involved such a heinous act, depraved heart, those are all the things that get you the maximum during sentencing and when it's involving murder. And the prosecutor wouldn't even request the maximum. So I am disappointed to the extent that he did not get the time that he deserved, in my opinion. And I made a contrast with the other guy who got 700 or so years to show that there's such a difference in treatment between violence against police officers and violence against citizens. This man had a shootout with police, but nobody was even shot or killed for sure. And he received 700 years. So I was making a point there, not that I would think Chauvin would get that amount. I thought he should receive the max. There was an international uproar, none seen since Emmett Till, and that's all he gets is what is tantamount to the minimum.
So from one judge to another, do you think Judge Cahill fell short?
Yes, absolutely I did. And you know, he referred to not succumbing to the public pressure. I think that's exactly what he did. I think that he was concerned. Judges, I don't know about there, but in Michigan, judges are elected as well as appointed. I don't know if he has to run for re-election or what the cause might have been, or his point of view on life, his values, whatever the difference is. I think that he was deterred from what most folks thought would be justice. Most fair-minded folks thought would be full justice and full accountability.
Well, let's listen to what Derek Chauvin said, because he actually spoke during sentencing. It was the first time we actually got to hear from him. So let's listen to what he said.
At this time, due to some additional legal matters at hand, I'm not able to give a full formal statement at this time. But very briefly, though, I do want to give my condolences to the Floyd family. There's going to be some other information in the future that would be of interest, and I hope things will give you some peace of mind. Thank you.
Judge Mathis, too little, too late.
Yes, and quite frankly, his statement was very confusing, particularly talking about things that we'll learn later. So, yes, he should have been making that apology earlier. I mean, death did result, even if he didn't think that he did anything wrong. The result was death. And so that alone deserves an apology and a demonstration of remorse. And we didn't see that, and we saw something very confusing at sentencing. And quite frankly, it sounded like some coming from someone who was unstable. And I'm hopeful. Well, I hope, and perhaps that was the problem. But I hope he wasn't unstable at the time of the George Floyd murder.
Well, his body, I want to ask you about his body language, because when he was found guilty, he had this utter look of shock. And I mean, even with the mask on, you could see that shock in his eyes. What did you think of his body language during sentencing?
Well, and that's what made me suggest that he was unstable, acting like you did nothing wrong. And you've been convicted of all these charges. And you've seen the tape, no doubt. If not, you know of the tape, 9 minutes on a man's neck, lynching him essentially what you need. And so that's what gives me the impression that something's wrong there. For him to think he did nothing wrong in the body language that he displayed, such shock. That was where I really got this point of view from. I know I differ from many, and it may even make a little headline for me to say the man was unstable. But you know, Judge Mathis, I'm going to keep it real, and
Yes.
I'm not afraid to say what I think.
And that's what we love about you. I want you to listen to now the sound from his mother. She also gave a victim impact statement. Let's listen to it.
Derek devoted 19 years of his life to the Minneapolis Police Department. It has been difficult for me to hear and read what the media, public, and prosecution team believe Derek to be an aggressive, heartless, and uncaring person. I can tell you that is far from the truth. My son's identity has also been reduced to that as a racist. I want this court to know that none of these things are true and that my son is a good man.
So, Judge Mathis, what did you think of his mom's statement?
Well, she might be in a little denial or just speaking up for her son. I'm not going to come down on moms too much. That's what mothers do. But with regard to race, she may not know. He may not have said racist things around the house. And by the way, that's why I think there should be a higher sentence. I believe it was done with malice based on race. I do believe that race came to play. One of the reasons I believe that is, you know, they worked together at a nightclub. And I know the nightclub environment and how heavy-handed those security guys are. And they really get some type of adrenaline rush to kind of be heavy-handed. And he worked in a black nightclub on a regular basis. And he and George Floyd no doubt knew each other. So that's a lot that we don't hear about that is really underlying what occurred.
Yeah, absolutely. And I got another loaded question for you, but I'm going to hold it because you're going to stay with us. Oh, you're not going to stay with us. I'm being told you're not. So I'm going to ask my question right now. What is justice?
I can. That's you guys.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll see. Hopefully we can work something out. But Judge Mathis, what does justice look like in your eyes?
Well, justice looks like equal treatment under the law. And equality under the law, equal justice under the law for everyone, not equal justice for white folks, not equal justice for other communities, and less justice for African American and Latino communities.
Well, hopefully we'll get that George Floyd Policing Act signed into law sooner rather than later as it continues to stall in the Senate. Judge Mathis, it was a pleasure interviewing you today. Thank you for being on the show, and thank you more importantly for your insight.